In today's video, we are going to learn how to unhide your status. You need to place on the three dots. Then click on Settings, Privacy. Then scroll down, go to Status. As you can see, all my 374 contacts are excluded. I pressed there. All 374 contacts are excluded. All I have to edit this. I want to include every contact by placing on this tick up here. Then I save it by placing on this tick down here. Then as you can see, zero contact is excluded. Then I place on my contact, meaning all my contacts will be able to see my status. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.